started over again. And I bless the day he didn't throw the clay away. He is the potter and I am the clay, molded in his image. He wants me to stay. But when I stumble, when I fall, and when my vessel breaks, he just picks up all the pieces. He never throws the clay.